So the resin is dry, cured. I'm about to sand the whole thing down and make it smooth so I can put the final coat of polyester resin on it. That's the mission for today. And then I'll leave it set for another couple days, sand it again, and maybe even get the whole thing to be the same color, white. So watch and learn, I suppose. Let's see. So that's the sanding. Ready to go for the last coat of the polyester resin, the finishing resin, which you have warming up over there by the heat. For all those not familiar with what we're doing here, we're using this. That's the hardener for it. And now the fiberglass is all down on top of it. This is a finish coat you put on there. And it more or less fills in a lot of the rough areas, the lows. And it actually seems to melt the epoxy that's underneath it, the other polyester resin. It basically gives you a lot smoother finish, making it ready for a finish coat of paint. I'm going to use polyester, not polyester, but epoxy paint sealer for it. Because I'm told this stuff is porous, which I find hard to believe. I suppose at a micro level it probably is. And that seals it up, and then it's ready for finish paint. This is next. Stay tuned.